Hello guys, today I will show you a machine from Topshak. I buy it from Banggood with discount. I pay $4 for it. It's a random orbit sender, as you can see here, random orbit sender. Okay, and I will show the unboxing for you. Here we have the user manual and others informations like a warranty card and the information of Topshak. And here we have the senders of with different sizes. P80, 120 and P60. And this is the box dust. This is the filter. I will try to put this together. And now this this is the sender. As I will take off the plastic. This sender is orbital. I will put the box dust in the machine. Foresee the aspect of the sender. This is the buttons on and off. Now I will put the sender on place. It seems a good quality. It's not much heavy, the machine, and the plug is from Europe, as you can see. But you can choose the plug for your region. So let's try the machine. I will start the machine in velocity 3, so let's start. Now I change the velocity to 6 and add more quality to sand the wood. take off the box dust. We have to make a little bit strong to take off. And the dust, as you can see the dust inside the box. It's very helpful for the dust don't out to the floor, and with this box is better because stay inside the box, and then we can dump in the other place. And now let's see the results on this. As you can see, the right side it's more clean than left side, so I think it's a simple test, but in the big work I think this sander is very good. So I hope you liked the video, and please subscribe my channel to support me. A big thanks.